Have you ever felt a little scared that AI might take your job? Or maybe you've heard people say, robots are replacing us. What if I told you that instead of fearing AI, you can use it to stay ahead, keep your job, and even grow in your career? Sounds exciting, right? Well, let me show you how. In my new book, Do This and AI Won't Replace You, I share everything you need to know about turning AI from a threat into your biggest advantage. Let me give you a sneak peek into the first chapter. What is AI, and why should you care? Imagine this. Years ago, people used typewriters to write. When computers came with word processors, many people panicked. They thought their skills were no longer useful. But guess what? The ones who took the time to learn the new technology didn't just survive, they thrived. AI is just like that. It's not here to take over. It's here to make your life easier. In Chapter 1, I break down what AI actually is, without the confusing tech talk. AI simply means teaching computers to think and learn like humans. It's already all around us, helping us find the fastest route on Google Maps or suggesting what to watch on Netflix. But here's the big question. How does this affect your job? This chapter dives into the truth about AI in the workplace. Many people think AI is replacing humans, but in reality, it's creating new opportunities. Companies need people who can use AI tools, not just fear them. That's where you come in. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine you're in marketing, and you've got deadlines piling up. AI tools can help you write content, analyze data, and even predict trends. Instead of stressing, you'll have more time to focus on creative ideas that AI can't do for you. Sounds useful, right? But here's the kicker. If you ignore AI, you'll fall behind. That's why this chapter is so important. It helps you understand the basics of AI and why it's a game changer for your career. And that's just the first chapter. There's so much more waiting for you in this book, like how AI can save you time, cut costs, and even open doors to new job opportunities you didn't know existed. So, are you ready to stop fearing AI and start winning with it? Don't miss out on this chance to future-proof your career. Grab your copy of Do This and AI Won't Replace You today and learn how to stay ahead in this fast-changing world. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. By the way, this is an ebook you will buy and get instantly and read on your phone, tablet, and any electronic device. You won't need to spend more money to make a printout. Hurry and get your copy when the book is still on a promotional discount. Just remember, the future isn't about fighting against AI. It's about working smarter with it. Let me show you how. Get yourself the book from my link on direct message or DM with the word, "Link me the book," and I will send you the link to get the book.
Can't hide it anymore, my heart feels torn.